guys, so here I am making an bath salt like melt, or kind of, well, not a melt, but like, you know, yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, and I just had some Epsom salt on hand that was infused with eucalyptus, and so I mixed that with regular sea salt, as you'll see, and I basically just eyeballed it until I made like a really nice amount of both. And you'll see later that I add patchouli oil and also some lavender essential oil to it to kind of add more to that like relaxation smell. And you could still smell the eucalyptus, but it really mixed well with the other two scents. And then I also add like food coloring, and my camera stopped recording after I got to, I think, a certain point. You can't see me mixing everything together, but I also added some food coloring to kind of add like a purpley tint to the salt, just to make it more fun. And this is like really nice for relaxation, and Epsom salt has like really great properties to it, so I knew that this would be really awesome for my friends. Hey guys, I'm so sorry if I'm like blurry. I can't really tell because I don't have my glasses on, but I wanted to apologize for not filming any Vlogmas day 7, 8, or 9. This is going to be kind of like a compilation of those days put into one video, just because I had a lot going on. My car wouldn't start when I was trying to get home from school on Tuesday. It was just a lot of events, and I worked and did a lot of other stuff the past couple of days, and then I had a gift exchange with my pals Megan and Jessie, and I still have one to do with Katrina, and I will probably show you guys what I'm getting Katrina. But the little clip before this is me making them some of their presents. I made some bath salts, a bath soak with Epsom salt and some other essential oils and stuff, and then I also made a lip scrub and essential oil roller balls. So that's what I made for those guys. And I'm going to show you guys what I got from my other friends. On Thursday night we had a little gift exchange. So from Megan, she made this gorgeous dream journal. I don't know if you can like see it, but it's so beautiful, and I was actually thinking about making something like this for them. Definitely is just so sweet, and she wrote a little note in it, and I love this so much. And I think this is just, DIY gifts are so meaningful, and I think like those top any like other materialistic gift you could get someone is like making something. I think it just means a lot, and this will be put to good use. And then excitingly enough, she got me some awesome earrings from Madewell, and they have these, it has a moon and some stars on it, and if you don't know me, gold jewelry is my favorite jewelry, and then also I love like moons and suns and stars, so this is totally me, and she did well, and I'm going to wear these today. Thank you, Megan, for those awesome gifts, and I'm going to move on to what I got from Jess. So, of course, she made a little cute kind of like snow globe out of a mason jar. It says Noel, and it has like some like cellophane inside and like a little tree. And this actually matches another thing that my sister made similar, and I think it's gonna look so cute, like matched together, and I really love them, and I think this is so cute. And then she got me a dream mist. It has crystals at the bottom, so it's crystal infused, and it says relax and dream, celestial jasmine, crystal infused. So it's like a nice dream mist, perfect for spraying on your pillow or like around your bed, or even on you before you go to bed. And the stuff like smells amazing. It smells so good. And also from Jessie, I got this awesome sun mug, and she was actually drinking out of this on Halloween, and I was like, I need that in my life. So she got it for me, and it just is totally me, and I'm going to use this all the time. It's just awesome. It's a to-go mug, and it has my favorite thing on it. So yeah, and that's what I got from my pals, and I'm so thankful for everything that I got from them, and I'm excited for Christmas and just like having family time and more friend time and stuff. I'm home for an entire month, and it'll just be good to see people that I love so much. And I'll probably show you guys when I'm wrapping up Katrina's present, but I'm not going to wrap it up in this video. I'll probably wrap it up in a different vlog. But yeah, and you'll see my friends in vlogs to come because they really want to be in one, and I really want them to be in one as well. So yeah, maybe some like mukbangs or something too. I think that'll be really fun. But yeah, and today I'm going to do some thrifting. I'll put that in another vlog as well. And show you guys what I get, and it'll be a fun time. So thank you so much for watching and sticking with me. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So thank you again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great rest of your day. Happy holidays, and remember to shine bright. Bye guys.